Hi Lian, anong latest na mga balita galing sa International Criminal Court?
Okay, so kahapon, in-announce ni ICC Prosecutor Karim Khan na nag-a-apply na siya ng arrest warrant para sa 3 leader ng Hamas, para sa Defense Minister ng Israel at para sa Prime Minister ng Israel na si Benjamin Netanyahu. Take note, application pa lang to ng arrest warrant, kailangan pang magdesisyon ng mismong korte kung maglalabas nga sila ng arrest warrant for war crimes and crimes against humanity sa nangyayari sa Gaza, at agad siyang tinutulan ng close ally ng Israel na si US President Joe Biden no less. Uy, may 29 seconds, baka may tanong ka pa.
Sige, update kay Duterte cases.
Okay, wala pang announcement mula kay Prosecutor Khan tungkol sa kaso ng Pilipinas, but because there's no announcement doesn't mean walang update. Kasi under ICC rules, pwedeng confidential kung ano man yung gagawin ni ICC Prosecutor Karim Khan. So maybe there's an application, maybe there isn't. We really don't know unless they say so. Uy, 6 seconds
Uy, may
pa!
time ka pa. Oh. Well,
Uy, at least, diba?
Sige, thank you Lian.
Uy.